Hey everyone, this is Amor here, and I'll be speaking today about image optimization. Image optimization is about getting images from your site to show up in search results while providing site visitors with a positive experience. The goal of this video is to bring awareness to different facets of online marketing that have a direct impact on the optimization and delivery of images. Two different themes we'll cover today are search visibility and user experience. Search engine visibility, as it relates to image optimization, is how well a particular image shows up in search results, i.e. the position or rank, and how often does that image show up. User experience is how the images on a website impact and affect visitors' behavior and engagement with the site. With these two concepts in mind, let's get to it. The first component we'll discuss is image naming conventions. The file name of an image is the foundation of image optimization, as this component helps search engines determine what the image is about. Therefore, the file name should concisely describe what is in the image. The image on the left, the file name doesn't provide the slightest clue as to what the image actually is. Whereas on the right, without even seeing the image, you can probably assume the picture will be of a Minneapolis skyline. As demonstrated in this slide, images that relate to a user search can show on the organic results page in the images section. Next, we have image file type. Image file type impacts user experience. Some file types allow transparent backgrounds, but they are generally larger files, and this can slow down website loading. Some image file types, by design, are much smaller in size, but they cannot support detailed images such as photographs. In this example, the two images are the same except for the file type being used. As you can see, the image on the right is nearly 5 times larger than the same image on the left. So what file type should you use? This is a loaded question with many correct answers. I'll first break up image file types into two different categories: raster images and vector images. Raster images are the most commonly used type for website images. This type is used for high detailed images such as photographs and include formats JPEG, PNG, and GIF. The difference between raster image types are generally whether transparency is supported and the amount of data that gets stored in the file. Vector images can be dynamic and are used more often for detailed graphics, logos, and icons in the digital and print marketing industries. Unless you know you have a specific need for a vector image, you'll likely default to raster image types for most of your web marketing purposes, as they are easy to create and maintain compared to vector images. The goal here is to utilize a file type that serves the image purpose without negatively impacting website visitors. In this example, when a raster and vector image is enlarged, you can see the main difference between the two file types at play, which is scalability. Image size refers to the width and height dimensions of an image. It is important to be aware of the size because it directly influences the file size of the image, which in turn impacts page loading times. The concept to take away here is to use an image only as big as it needs to be. For example, if I need a 100 by 100 pixel image, I should not use a 500 by 500 pixel image and then scale it back down to 100 by 100, as the file size will still be much bigger, and this results in extra page loading time. Image compression. Image compression is a tactic that makes image file sizes smaller by reducing or eliminating redundant data within the image files. This tactic can be done within Photoshop using the Export As or Save for the Web feature, or it can be accomplished through online image compression tools. Image compression should only be done after all the previous tactics have been completed to ensure the best image quality possible. Overdoing compression or multiple rounds of compression will result in a pixelated and low-quality image as seen here. And some on-site optimization: alt tags, title attributes, and image captions. Alt tags are the alternative text for the image. The text from this tag shows up on-site if the image failed to load. This tag has impact on your overall website SEO, and so every image should have an alt tag. Title attributes help provide context to the image for search engines. If someone hovers over an image that has a title attribute, a tooltip is revealed. Alt tags and title attributes are not normally visible to website users and are primarily used nowadays for search optimization. However, they can also help people with disabilities, such as being blind, navigate a website easier. And finally, image captions are visible to users, and they, again, provide extra information about the images for users to see. Into image optimization for social media sharing. If you plan to share or expect users to share content from the site, setting up Facebook Open Graph and schema.org is a must. Adding these markup languages to a site provides you with more control over how images from your site are displayed in social media posts. Adding Facebook Open Graph and schema.org can be a difficult task if you plan to manually implement the markup code. However, content management systems like WordPress have plugins available allowing you to easily and almost effortlessly apply these important tags to your site. And last, how can you diagnose opportunities for image optimization? The easiest way to start is by utilizing online tools that already do a good job at identifying areas of opportunity. Google PageSpeed Insights and gtmetrics.com are two top tools to use. Both tools are similar in that they provide recommendations on which images to compress, where alt tags are missing, and they even provide the option to compress uncompressed images directly from the diagnostics scan. As you become more familiar with digital marketing, these concepts and tactics will become second nature, and it'll be easy to spot opportunities without much tool assistance. You now have the tools and knowledge needed to set up images correctly and how to best optimize them for search visibility. To recap, image file name is for search visibility. Image file type is for page loading times and user experience. Image size is also for page loading time and user experience. Image SEO is for search visibility and user experience. And image diagnostics so you can identify opportunity for image optimization. This is Amor, and thanks for watching.